Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: Bitcoin. In this video, we will learn about Bitcoin. We will take you on a journey to unravel the mysteries surrounding the origins, creators, regulations, benefits, and disadvantages of this groundbreaking digital currency. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or new to the world of Bitcoin, this video aims to provide you with valuable insights and a comprehensive understanding of this transformative technology. Bitcoin origin. Bitcoin, a groundbreaking digital currency, was introduced in 2009 by an individual or group operating under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The intention behind its creation was to establish an independent financial system free from the control of governments and financial institutions. By utilizing cutting-edge technology and cryptographic principles, Bitcoin was designed to enable secure peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. The origins of Bitcoin can be traced back to a white paper published by Nakamoto titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This document outlined the fundamental concepts and mechanisms of Bitcoin, including the use of a decentralized ledger known as the blockchain to record and verify transactions. The release of Bitcoin marked a significant milestone in the field of digital currencies. It introduced the concept of a decentralized digital asset that could be transferred securely and anonymously. Unlike traditional currencies, which are backed by central authorities, Bitcoin relies on mathematical algorithms and a distributed network of computers to ensure its integrity. Bitcoin creator. The identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains shrouded in mystery, with no concrete evidence pointing to the true creator. While several individuals have come forward claiming to be Nakamoto, their assertions lack definitive proof. The enigmatic nature of Bitcoin's creator adds to the allure and intrigue surrounding this innovative digital currency. Satoshi Nakamoto's anonymity has been a subject of fascination and speculation within the cryptocurrency community and beyond. The choice to use a pseudonym has fueled countless theories about the motivations behind Bitcoin's creation and the potential implications of Nakamoto's identity being revealed. Bitcoin regulations. As a decentralized currency operating outside the traditional financial system, Bitcoin's regulation is still evolving. Different countries have varied approaches to Bitcoin, ranging from outright bans to embracing and developing regulatory frameworks to govern its use. The regulatory landscape is complex, with ongoing debates on balancing innovation, consumer protection, and the prevention of illicit activities. In the early years of Bitcoin's existence, many governments and regulatory bodies struggled to comprehend the implications of this emerging technology. Some countries initially viewed Bitcoin with skepticism, expressing concerns about its potential use for money laundering, tax evasion, or funding illegal activities. As a result, a few nations implemented outright bans on Bitcoin or restricted its usage. However, as the understanding of Bitcoin deepened, several countries recognized the opportunities and benefits that this decentralized currency could bring. They saw the potential for financial inclusion and increased efficiency in cross-border transactions. Consequently, these countries began to embrace Bitcoin and took proactive measures to regulate its use within their jurisdictions. Bitcoin benefits. Bitcoin offers several advantages that have contributed to its growing popularity. Firstly, its decentralized nature means that no single authority controls or manipulates Bitcoin, making it resistant to fraud and corruption. Secondly, Bitcoin transactions provide a level of anonymity, as they are not directly linked to individual identities. Lastly, the low transaction fees associated with Bitcoin make it an attractive option for international payments and microtransactions, particularly when compared to traditional banking methods. Bitcoin disadvantages. Despite its merits, Bitcoin does come with certain drawbacks. One notable concern is its price volatility, with Bitcoin's value experiencing significant fluctuations. This volatility poses risks for investors and can impact the stability of the currency. Additionally, widespread adoption of Bitcoin as a form of payment is still limited, with relatively few merchants accepting it. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for Bitcoin to realize its full potential as a global currency. Analogy. To better understand Bitcoin, we can liken it to a newly invented language. Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, acts as the language's innovator. Just as a language without established rules faces challenges in regulation, governments and financial institutions encounter difficulties in governing Bitcoin due to its relatively nascent status. In this analogy, Bitcoin serves as a means of communication, enabling individuals to exchange value and engage in transactions without the need for intermediaries. Just as a language allows people to convey ideas and concepts, Bitcoin allows users to transfer digital value across the internet securely and transparently. Bitcoin has also seen advancements and improvements since its inception. New features and technologies, such as the Lightning Network, have been developed to address scalability issues and enhance the efficiency of transactions. This continuous innovation mirrors the evolution of a language as it adapts to the needs and demands of its users. Furthermore, just as learning a new language opens doors to new opportunities and connections, embracing Bitcoin can provide individuals with financial freedom and inclusion. By becoming fluent in the language of Bitcoin, users gain access to a global financial network that transcends borders and traditional banking systems. Real-life example. Imagine you are a freelancer seeking payment for your services. Instead of traditional methods like cash or checks, you can request to be paid in Bitcoin. By setting up a Bitcoin wallet, you can securely store your digital currency and use it to make purchases from merchants who accept Bitcoin. It's important to note that the value of Bitcoin can fluctuate, which means the payment you receive from your client may appreciate or depreciate in value over time. Let's explore this real-life example further. When you receive Bitcoin as payment for your freelance work, you have the option to hold it as an investment or convert it to your local currency. If you decide to hold it, you become a participant in the Bitcoin ecosystem, potentially benefiting from its long-term value appreciation. As a freelancer, accepting Bitcoin can also open up opportunities for global clients, since Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network. However, it's important to consider the potential risks associated with accepting Bitcoin. The volatility of its price means that the value of your received payment can fluctuate significantly. While this volatility can present opportunities for profit, it also carries the risk of losses if the price of Bitcoin drops. As we conclude this introduction to Bitcoin, we hope you've gained valuable insights into its origin, creator, regulations, benefits, and challenges. Understanding the intricacies of Bitcoin will equip you with the knowledge to navigate the exciting world of digital currency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the knowledge of this revolutionary digital currency. Thank you so much for watching.